We get lots of questions about the type of anesthesia that's used for surgery. Most cosmetic surgery procedures are done with one of two types of anesthetic. One is a general anesthetic. That is where you are sound asleep and you know nothing until you wake up after the surgery and it's all over. Nice way to go. The other type of anesthetic is a local anesthesia with heavy sedation. Now, some people think the heavy sedation is safer than the general anesthesia. It's really not. And in fact, if you're having heavy sedation, you would be well advised to make sure you have a fully board-certified anesthesiologist with you during the entire procedure, just as you would if you were having a general anesthetic. Many people are afraid of a general anesthetic, and I can understand that from stories that circulated over the years. But in truth, a general anesthetic on a healthy patient is safer than taking a trip to the grocery store in your car.